This week we've got an absolute weapon of a car in. It's a 991 911 Turbo S, running around 1000 brake horsepower, and it's come in for a half cage development and fitting. We finished the cage with some Porsche factory style gussets in a nice satin black to complement the standard interior. So let's get it in. So this is it fitted in the car. Mounts to all existing mounting points, structural, chassis point, all M10s. Nice and tight to the trims, but won't hinder your front seats going backwards as much as you can put them. We've got lovely cross gussets here, top gussets, and also side gussets on the hoop as well. Can be spec'd up or spec'd down for whatever you want to have in the car. So if you've got a 991, 911, you need like half cage, or any 911 for that matter, then go to swmotorsports.co.uk.